Good morning, students. Now I am here to going to start the sixth chapter, that is our simplification. Now simplification here means that suppose if we are getting a numerical expression and in that numerical expression we are getting some fundamental operations as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So how we are going to solve based on the rules and based on the brackets. So first of all we are going to study the types of brackets. There are 4 types of brackets and these are the order to solve the questions whenever the brackets are given. So first bracket is known as the bar bracket or it is known as Win column. This is the sign of bar bracket. Second type of bracket is known as round brackets. It is also known as small brackets. It is also known as parenthesis. And this is the sign of round brackets or parenthesis. Third type of brackets will be your curly brackets or braces. This is the symbol of curly brackets. And fourth type of bracket will be your square brackets or big brackets. This is the symbol of square brackets. These are the 4 types of brackets and these are the order to solve the questions whenever the brackets are given. It means first of all we will solve this bar bracket, then we will solve round brackets or parentheses. Third we are going to solve the curly brackets and fourth we are going to solve the square brackets. So in this order we are going to solve the questions whenever all the brackets are given in the numerical problem. Second thing, by which rule we are going to solve the questions. So the rule will be your V BODMAS, where V stands for Win column or bar bracket. B stands for brackets. Brackets means either they can be your round brackets, they can be curly or they can be square brackets. Then we come off. O stands for off. Off means multiply. D stands for division. M stands for multiplication. A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. So in this order and by applying the rule of V BODMAS, we are going to solve the numerical problems in the order of these brackets. So this is the introduction about the simplification. Now it will be more clear when we are going to solve some questions based on the rules and brackets. So now let us see some questions here now. Now see here question number first. So question number first is given here as 16 plus 8 divided by 4 minus 2 into 3. Now in this question you will find that there are no brackets. Neither there are curly brackets, neither there are bar brackets, neither small brackets and neither your square brackets. So by applying now the rule of V BODMAS, V stands for Win column or bar. So there is no bar, so we are not going to solve, we are not going to apply this. So we will skip this matter. Now B stands for brackets. You will find that there are no brackets, we will skip this B also. Now O stands for off. You will find there are no off, so again we will skip this. So these 3 has been skipped because these 3 have not given in the question. Now come to D. D stands for divide. So first of all we will solve this divide according to the rule. So 16 plus 8 divided by 4 will be 2 minus 2 into 3. After divide it will be your multiply. Then again we will solve this multiply. 16 plus 2 minus 2 3 ja 6. After multiply you will find the addition. So addition 16 plus 2 is 18 minus 6. At the last you will find subtraction and 18 minus 6 will be your 12. So we will get the result as 12. Now take another question in which you will find some brackets also. Now see question number second. Question number second is given as 27 minus 18 minus 16 minus 5 minus 4 minus 1. Now in this question we will find there are brackets also and addition, multiplication sign also. Now first of all, according to the V Bodmas rule, first is Vinculum. So you will find there is a Vinculum. So first of all we will solve this. Rest other values we will not disturb. We will simply copy down as it is. 27 minus 18 minus 16 minus 5, 4 minus 1 will be 3. Now second, brackets. You will find that there are several brackets, but according to the rule, first we are solving Vinculum, which we have solved. Second we are solving this parenthesis, small brackets. Then we are solving this curly brackets. At the last we are going to solve this square bracket. So rest other values we will not disturb. Simply copy down as it is. Minus 16 minus 5 minus 3 will be 2. Now next we are going to solve this curly bracket. 27 minus 18 minus 16 minus 2 will be 14. Now we will solve this square bracket. So 27 minus 18 minus 14 is 4, and 27 minus 4 will be 23. So in this way we are going to solve the questions of simplification. Now let us see some more questions on simplification. Now question number third. Two by 3 plus 4 by 9 of 3 by 5 divide 1 whole 2 by 3 multiply 1 whole 1 by 4 minus 1 upon 3. Now in this question, see here what we are going to solve, Vinculum, but Vinculum is not there. Now we come to the off part. Off part when we are going to solve, to see it very carefully, off part means multiply with this bracket. So before off you will find the bracket. Only one bracket is given, so we are going to solve this bracket value. Now 2 by 3 plus 4 upon 9. First of all we are going to solve this bracket. So LCM is 9, 3 3s are 3 2s are 6 plus 4. Rest other values we are not going to disturb. Divide, this we can change, 3 1s are 3 plus 2, 5 by 3 multiply 5 by 4 minus 1 by 3. Now inside the bracket we will get here as 10 upon 9, off means multiply 3 upon 5 divide 5 by 3 into 5 by 4 minus 1 by 3. Now we are going to solve this part because off stands for multiply. So 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3. Divide 5 by 3 multiply 5 by 4 minus 1 by 3. Now we have solved this bracket of. Now next part is our division. We are going to solve this part now. So 2 by 3, divide sign change to multiply, and the value is reciprocal, that is 3 by 5 multiply 5 by 4 minus 1 by 3. Now 3 and 3 will be cancelled from here, 5 and 5 will be cancelled from here, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. It will come 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3. 1 upon 2 minus 1 by 3. Take out the LCM here. LCM is 6. 3 minus 2, that is 1 by 6. So we will get result as 1 by 6. So this is the method to solve the questions of simplification based on the rule of Bodmas. Now let us see next question. Now see next question number 4th. Next question is given as 5 whole 1 by 7 minus 3 whole 3 by 10 divide 2 whole 4 by 5 minus 7 by 10. Now in this question you will see that there are brackets given, Vinculum is not given, so we will come to the bracket. So first of all we are going to solve this bracket because this is the smaller bracket according to the order. So it will come 36 upon 7 minus 33 upon 10 divide 4 5 2s are 10 plus 4 14 by 5 minus 7 by 10. For in first step I have changed all the improper mixed fraction into improper. Second step I am going to solve this bracket. So 36 upon 7 minus 33 upon 10 divide, take out the LCM. LCM it will be your 10. So 5 2s are 14 2s are 28 minus 7. It will be 36 upon 7 minus 33 upon 10 divide 28 minus 7, it will be 21 upon 10. See one more thing very important, that when we are going to solve the bracket, when we have solved this bracket, so the bracket sign will also be removed side by side, because when we are solving that particular bracket, so bracket sign is removed. Now 36 upon 7 minus, we are going to solve this bracket, 33 upon 10, divide sign change to multiply, value is reciprocal, 10 upon 21. Now 10 and 10 cancelled, this value can be cancelled by 3 7 ja and 3 11 ja. So we will get as 36 upon 7 minus 11 upon 7. Now both are like fractions, so 36 minus 11, 5, 25 upon 7. Now we can change this value into mixed fraction. So 7 3s are 21. It will come 3 whole 4 upon 7, and this will be our answer. Now let us see next question based on this simplification. Now let us see next question, that is given as question number 5. 4 whole 4 by 5 divide 2 whole 1 by 5 minus 1 by 2, inside the bracket 1 whole 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5. Now in this question you will find that there is a vinculum. So first of all we are going to solve this vinculum according to the rule vinculum or bar bracket. Rest other values we are not going to disturb. 20 it will come 24 upon 5 divide 10 11 by 5 minus 1 by 2, it will come 5 by 4 minus LCM will be 20 here, it will come 5 minus 4. This part we have solved. So 24 upon 5 divide 11 by 5 minus 1 by 2, 5 by 4, it will come minus 1 by 20. Now according to the brackets we are going to solve this parenthesis or small brackets first. So 24 upon 5 divide 11 by 5 minus 1 by 2 inside the bracket 20 and 4, take out the LCM is 20. LCM will be 20 here. 4 5s are 5 5s are 25 minus 20 21 will come 1. Now 24 upon 5 divide 11 by 5 minus 1 by 2. So when you are going to solve this, bracket is removed, so no sign is there, so it by default it means a multiplication sign. Multiply 24 upon 20. Now 24 upon 5 divide, inside this bracket we are going to solve first multiply, because multiply comes first, then addition or subtraction. So 2 1s are 12. So 11 by 5 minus 12 upon, this can also be solved. 2 6s are 2 10s are 2 3s are and 2 5s are. It will come 3 by 5. So 24 upon 5 divide, we are going to solve here, both are like terms. 11 minus 3 will be 8 by 5. When we will solve, so bracket will be removed. Now simply divide 24 upon 5 multiply 5 by 8. 5 5 cancel, 8 1s are and 8 3s are. So we will get here result as 3. So these are some questions based on the simplification. In my next video I will come with some more questions based on the same rule of BODMAS. Thank you.